Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting updates to share about the Samsung Galaxy S25 and the much-anticipated One UI 7.0 update. This time, the spotlight is on the side button, which has received a major overhaul, offering more customization and functionality than ever before. Samsung is stepping up its game, ensuring users have greater control over their device. So, let's break it all down. With One UI 7.0, Samsung is redefining the way users interact with the side button. It's no longer just a simple power button or a way to summon an assistant. Now, you can customize it to fit your needs, making it an incredibly versatile tool. By default, pressing and holding the side button activates Google Gemini, Samsung's newly integrated AI assistant. But if that's not your preference, no problem. Samsung allows users to switch it up. You can replace Google Gemini with Bixby or even select a third-party assistant. However, at the moment, Alexa support isn't available. The double press functionality has received a significant upgrade, offering multiple options to choose from. You can now instantly launch the camera to start recording, capture a portrait shot, or take a quick selfie. Need to make a payment? A quick double press can open Samsung Wallet for easy access to your cards. Other actions include turning on the torch, using the magnifier, opening the voice recorder, creating a note in Samsung Notes, capturing a screenshot, triggering modes and routines, or even launching any installed application. Samsung has gone even further by introducing sub-options within these settings, allowing users to fine-tune their experience. For example, you can specify whether the camera launches in photo mode, video mode, portrait mode, or selfie mode. Similarly, Samsung Notes now lets you choose between handwriting mode, voice notes, or paint mode, while Samsung Capture allows AI select, screen recording, or a simple screenshot. This level of customization ensures users get the most out of their device, making everyday tasks more efficient. Many Samsung fans were eagerly awaiting the One UI 7.0 update, but it took longer than expected. Samsung has now officially addressed the reason behind the delay. Unlike previous updates, which followed a yearly cycle, One UI 7.0 was in development for nearly 2 to 3 years. This extended timeline allowed Samsung to refine every aspect of the software, ensuring a more polished and user-friendly experience. Additionally, Samsung collaborated closely with Google to integrate AI-driven features across both ecosystems, requiring the creation of new applications, SDKs, and platform optimizations. While this process took time, the result is a highly refined and intelligent update that enhances the overall user experience. While some users may have been frustrated by the wait, the extra time Samsung invested into One UI 7.0 has resulted in a feature-rich update that significantly improves functionality. With these extensive customization options, the side button on the Galaxy S25 has evolved into a powerful multitasking tool. Whether you need quick access to your camera, want to trigger specific actions, or manage tasks efficiently, this button is now more useful than ever. So, what do you think about these new customization options? Are you excited about the revamped side button and all its functionalities? Do you think the wait for One UI 7.0 was justified? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Vision Tech for more exciting tech updates. Also, tap the bell icon so you never miss a future video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.